Welcome to your Model S. This video will go over how to access your vehicle, including how to use your keys and get inside. Phone Key allows you to use your phone's Bluetooth connectivity to automatically unlock Model S as you approach, power on when you're ready to drive, and lock as you walk away. To set up Phone Key, enable Bluetooth on your phone, open the Tesla app, and follow the prompts. You can also use your Apple Watch to access and control your vehicle. Set up Watch Key by pairing your phone with your smartwatch and accessing the Tesla app. Your phone and watch will be able to function as a key even without a cellular connection. Your Tesla also comes with 2 key cards that can be used to unlock and lock Model S. We recommend always keeping a key card with you in case your device is unavailable or you need to give someone else access to your Model S. To unlock with a key card, place it against the driver's side door pillar. The exterior lights will flash, the side mirrors will unfold, and the horn will sound. Insert your hand into the handle and pull open the door. You can set the door handles to present themselves automatically when you approach the driver's side while carrying a phone key or key fob by touching Controls, Locks, Auto Present Handles. Once inside, your Tesla will automatically power on when pressing the brake pedal. If using a key card, power on Model S by placing the keycard on the wireless phone charger and pressing the brake pedal. If you wait more than 2 minutes to power on, you will need to remove and place the keycard on the wireless phone charger again to re-authenticate. To exit, press the button at the top of the interior door handle and push the door open. In the unlikely event Model S has no power, you can open the front doors from inside by pulling the manual door release located in front of the window switches. You can open the rear doors from inside by folding back the edge of the carpet below the rear seats to expose the mechanical release cable. Pull the mechanical release cable toward the center of the vehicle. To lock the vehicle once you've exited, place the keycard against the driver's side door pillar. With Phone Key and walk-away door lock enabled, Model S will automatically lock when you walk away. The exterior lights will flash and the side mirrors will fold, confirming that your Model S is locked.